Imagine getting paid every single month without lifting a finger, just money quietly showing up in your account because of a smart investment decision you made earlier. This sounds interesting, right? Yes, I know. Today, I will be breaking down 4 stocks, a mixture of stocks, ETFs, and REITs that pay you every month, just like a salary. We'll talk about how they work, what they are, and how much you can make from it, and how to invest in them with just your phone. If you're serious about building passive income and escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck life, then keep watching. Now, before we get started, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing educational content about dividend investing. The content in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Let's get straight into it. Smash a like button if you're ready to learn about passive income. First, let me explain what monthly dividend stocks actually are. Most companies pay dividends quarterly, which means 4 times per year. But there's a special category of stocks that pay dividends every single month. These are typically REITs, which stand for Real Estate Investment Trusts, BDCs, which are business development companies, and some specialized ETFs. The beauty of monthly dividends is that you get a consistent cash flow just like a salary. Instead of waiting 3 months for your next payment, you'll receive payment every 30 days. This is ideal for individuals seeking to replace their income or earn extra money regularly. Now, here's something important you need to understand. These companies don't just magically create money, they pay dividends from their profits. So when you see a company with a 5% or 6% annual yield, that means if you invest $1,000, you'll get about $50 to $60 per year, divided into monthly payments. Stock EO1 Realty Income Corporation, ticker symbol O. The first stock I want to talk about is Realty Income Corporation with the ticker symbol O. This is probably the most famous monthly dividend stock in existence. They literally call themselves the Monthly Dividend Company. Realty Income is a REIT that owns over 15,000 commercial properties across the US and Europe. They lease these properties to companies like Walgreens, Dollar General, and FedEx. The tenants pay rent every month, and Realty Income passes most of that rent to shareholders as dividends. Their current dividend yield is around 5.5% annually, which means if you invest $1,000, you'll get approximately $55 per year, or about $4.58 per month. They've been paying monthly dividends for over 30 years and have increased their dividend 130 times since listing on the NYSE in 1994. That's incredible consistency. The minimum amount to start investing depends on the share price, which is currently around $55 to $60 per share. However, with the Bamboo investment app, which I'll talk about later, you can buy fractional shares with as little as $1. Stock UE2 Stag Industrial, ticker symbol STAG. The second stock is Stag Industrial with ticker symbol STAG. This is another REIT, but it focuses specifically on industrial real estate, like warehouses and distribution centers. With the rise of e-commerce, warehouse demand has been booming. Companies like Amazon need massive distribution centers, and Stag owns hundreds of these properties across the United States. They collect rent from these tenants and pay shareholders monthly dividends. Stag currently offers a dividend yield of around 4% to 4.5% annually. So if you invest $1,000, you'll receive about $40 to $45 per year, or roughly $3.75 per month. While the yield is slightly lower than Realty Income's, Stag has shown solid growth potential because the industrial real estate sector is expanding rapidly. The stock price is currently around $35 to $40 per share. But again, with fractional shares on Bamboo, you can start with as little as $1 to $10. Stock E3 LTC Properties, ticker symbol LTC. The third stock is LTC Properties with ticker symbol LTC. This is a healthcare REIT that focuses on senior housing and skilled nursing facilities. As the global population ages, demand for senior care facilities is increasing. LTC Properties owns and finances these properties and collects rent from healthcare operators. They've been paying monthly dividends consistently for over 20 years. LTC currently offers one of the highest yields on this list at around 7% to 8% annually. If you invest $1,000, you could receive $70 to $80 per year, or about $6.67 per month. The higher yield reflects slightly higher risk, but they've maintained their dividend at 19 cents per share per month for over 5 years, which shows stability. The stock trades around $30 to $35 per share, making it accessible even for small investors. And with fractional shares, you can start with just $10. Stock EEO4 JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, ticker symbol JEPI. The fourth and final option is not a single stock, but an ETF called JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF with ticker symbol JEPI. This is a fund that holds a diversified portfolio of large US companies and uses option strategies to generate additional income. The advantage of JEPI is diversification. Instead of putting all your money in one company, you're investing in a basket of stable blue chip stocks. JEPI pays monthly distributions with a current yield of around 7% to 8% annually. If you invest $1,000 in JEPI, you could receive $70 to $80 per year, or about $6.67 per month. The ETF has lower volatility compared to individual stocks and is considered safer because your risk is spread across many companies. JEPI trades around $55 to $60 per share, and with fractional shares on Bamboo, you can start with as little as $10. Which brokerage has these stocks? All 4 of these investments are available on the Bamboo investment app. Bamboo is specifically designed for investors in Nigeria, Ghana, and South Africa who want to invest in US stocks and ETFs. You can access Realty Income O, Stag Industrial Stag, LTC Properties LTC, and JEPI, all from your phone. Bamboo, the minimum amount to start investing is just $10. You don't need thousands of dollars. Thanks to fractional shares, you can own a piece of these dividend-paying stocks with very little money. You can start small, test the platform, and gradually increase your investment as you get more comfortable. How to verify your identity? The verification process on Bamboo is straightforward. You'll need to provide a government-issued ID, take a selfie for verification, and provide proof of address. The process usually takes 24 to 48 hours. Once verified, you can start investing immediately. Here's my honest advice. If you're serious about building passive income, monthly dividend stocks are one of the best strategies. Start small with $50 or $100. Buy fractional shares of 2 or 3 of these stocks and watch your dividends come in every month. Reinvest those dividends to buy more shares, and over time your monthly income will grow through compounding. Don't expect to get rich overnight. If you invest $100, you're not going to make $50 per month. But if you consistently invest $100 every month for years and reinvest your dividends, you can build a portfolio that eventually pays you hundreds or even thousands per month. All the links to download the Bamboo app are in the video description below. Bamboo is currently available in Nigeria, Ghana, and South Africa. Use the link in the description to sign up and start your dividend investing journey today. That's it for today's video. If you found this valuable, smash the like button and let me know in the comments. Which of these 4 stocks are you most interested in? Remember, this is educational content and all investments carry risk. Always do your own research and consider consulting a financial advisor. I'll see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Peace out.